Hey y'all, it's Kevin. We got some random rips for Sunday here. I got the last pack of scores that they had. Oh shoot, I don't even know. One of the stores I went to on Black Friday. Oh, Big Lots. And I got one more of these Big Lots. I've had this and it's time to do it. So, let's rip into this piece of mail I got. It has a couple of cool cards in it, I do believe. And we'll get right on with that holiday box. Let's see, I spent $1.94 to get these cards. Not quite $2. Bob Horner Kellogg's 3D Superstar. I like those old Kellogg Sport Flicks. And God, look at all the writing on the back. They don't do cards like that anymore. There's like maybe 5 words on the entire back of the card these days. Hometown Heroes. Cool. And that set is done. I thought it was done, but it wasn't done. I went through it and checked and was missing a card. So my heritage is done, and I can get ready to build the high number heritage here in a couple weeks. And a Vaughn Grissom card, just because it was only 20 cents. And I said, why not? Okay. Let's see what kind of, yeah, let's go ahead and open this. See what football is going to be like today. Getting on toward the end of the season. Somebody was messing with this pack, I think. Some of them cards were sticking out quite uneven. McNabb, I remember him. Gronkowski. See, golly, that's a lot, big name right there. Travius Hodges Tomlinson. Okay. Josh Downs. Clayton Team. Bryce Ford Wheaton. Chase Brown. And Brian Branch. Okay. We got a red James Conner. Raheem Mostert. And a red full Deuce Vaughn potential. Well, so far this pack has been pretty awful. Ahmed Sauce Gardner, Huddle Up, Kayshawn Boutte, Jalen Waddle. Here's our rookie, Bijan Robinson. I must have a dozen of them. Jamal Williams, the Cowboys, Tanner McKee, and Myles Garrett. It's not going to be a good day for football if that's any indication of the way things are going to go. All right, what professional wrestler is going to be escorting us through this box of holiday, huh? Hopefully it's not going to be The Rock again. I hate getting duplicates, especially when I only buy 2 of something. I really want Hulk in the Hulkamania shirt, so he matches my Big Hulk. Then I have Big Hulk and Mini Hulk. All right. Andre the Giant. I can live with that. He's got a funny shaped leg there. He done knocked The Rock over. There we go. I've got a card for him. Oh, that's in the box, isn't it? Yeah. This time I didn't see it first, so it didn't ruin it for me. Well, dang. And that Big Lots is the only place I know to get them, so I might need to go back and get another one if I really want to try and get the Hulk. Because I think they only got 2 or 3 left. I don't know if they're searchable. Maybe I should look that up. Somebody might have already got the Hulk. Alright, let's see how quick we can get through this box of holiday. Because the holidays are here. Thanksgiving is over. Oh, Christmas lights are on. Almost forgot to turn them on. Y'all can't hardly see them in this angle here. Here, let's bring them down here a little bit. Okay. Let's see if we can find some good super short print. It's nice to get a nice fat number of, oh, I almost forgot. Jose Ramirez. He looked like a Santa Claus. Little pudgy. So I got Ramirez and I got Bobby Witt Jr. Cool. Let's get that back there. Okay. Alright. 7 minutes in. Finally getting to the box, huh? Hopefully y'all were patient and stuck with me. Taylor Ward. Anthony Patrick Wisdom. Chris Sale. James Altman. Jordan Alvarez. I haven't seen anything yet. Spencer Torkelson. Brian Reynolds. Matt McLean. It's a good card. Very short print though. C.J. Abrams. Alright. Nothing too exciting in that first pack. There's Austin Riley. Zach Neto. Will Vargas. Quite a few rookies in here. All from the update. I guess Bo Naylor. Silver border. There's Julio Rodriguez. Again, not a short print one. Manny Machado. Villar. Bryce Miller. Alright, keep looking. You usually get 2. I guess it's 1 short print, 2 short prints, and if you're lucky, one of them's a super short print. Something like that. There's Stephen Kwan. Spencer Steer had a good postseason. Greinke. Kyle Mueller. So far, not too good. We'll hopefully be close to a set after this, though. This will make 2. There's Julio with silver border. Well, that's not bad. Let's sleeve that one up. Springer. Low. And to Brian Hayes. Does he, I wonder if they have short prints with the silver on them. I hadn't even crossed my mind. I don't know. Well, I'll find the other ones later. Let's see. Prop that up right there. With the Christmas train. Tell you what, y'all stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to tag on the widescreen version of my recent short of the time lapse. Oh, we got a, let's save that one. Save the whole pack. That's got the relic in it. See whose Christmas hat piece we got. I keep seeing people opening them and going, oh look, jerky relic. No, it says right on it. So it's a Christmas hat relic. Auto Suzuki. Spencer Strider. There is Christopher Morel. Mookie. ADT, that's my security company. Who did my alarm system? I mean, I start putting these stupid advertising patches on baseball. Do they really need money that bad? Yeah, I don't think they do. I really don't think that they really need to have big, ugly patches on their freaking uniforms. That's what Little League does to support their team. Not people that charge hundreds of dollars a ticket and $20 a beer. Still not seeing any, there's Michael Harris. Saw that little red thing in his hand, thought it was maybe Christmas something, but it's not. McClanahan, Chapman, Jeter Downs, Matt Mervis, and McCutcheon. Alright, we're getting down to the end. Another Christopher Morel. Riley Green. Machado on the silver. Ramuto. Pete. Freddie. Jeremy Pena. And nobody in a Santa hat or nothing. Nope, don't see it. Alright, well, okay, 3 packs, counting the one I already opened that has the relic in it. So, okay, we still got time. Jimenez, Volpe. Good one to get. Well, there we go. Joey Meneses. He's got the Santa hat. Oh, there's one. There's my stands. Let's see here. Get one right there. Tony Kemp, Tatis, Paul Goldschmidt, DeGrom, and Gooseman. All right, next to the last pack. Oh, look. Oh, now this is interesting. The rookie card. Check it out. The rookie card, and the unaltered one is up on the left. And the altered one, it's down there by the cup. I don't see where the ball cap gets in the way of the RC logo. It's kind of weird. Vaughn Grissom. It's a nice card. Hunter Brown. This is Singa. Estuary Ruiz. Josh Lowe. Vasquez. Soto. Castellanos. Verlander. Alright. Sorry, Jose. You need to be in the other style span. Those don't quite work right with them. All right, we got Taj Bradley, Grayson Rodriguez. Let's go back here and see what we got here. Kyle Schwarber, Stanton, Yelich, Perez, Baez, and looks like we only got the one Christmas one unless I missed it. And if I did, I'll point it out. We got a O'Neal Cruz. Okay, I like that. Looks like it's got some dirt on it or something. No, maybe not. Maybe it's a piece of cardboard. Alright. Now, if that's a piece of his hat, because that's what it says, Santa Claus, you have received a relic card. The relic, okay, was worn by a featured player. No, I thought they were supposed to be like Santa Claus hat relics, is what the other ones I got said. This one just says player worn, because obviously that's jersey. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, that was fun. And if you think so, and I think that this card is dented pretty badly. Yeah. Wow. Way to go, Tops. Anyhow, maybe I did it. Who knows? Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. As you can see back here, these are not empty. Those are a 2020 or 2021, 22, and 23 holiday box. Those will be getting opened sometime before Christmas, so stick around. And if you didn't already know, I'm giving away a turkey. Look back a few days in videos, and or click above. I'll try to remember to put the link up there. And you will, you can enter to win a turkey after the Thanksgiving fact. So, I don't know. I got other stuff we can open. Maybe. Somewhere. And we'll get around to that tomorrow. Come on back and see.
Heading for the mountain that she's bound to climb, bringing in the Georgia mail. To the whistle moaning wail, 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 as she got the power, I see